Hi, I'm Richard from ITS TV, and this is the Dewalt DCD790D2. It's a kit made up of the Dewalt DCD790 drill driver, alongside two 2 amp hour lithium-ion batteries, the lithium-ion charger, and a carry case that it all comes in. Let's have a look at the drill in a bit more detail. This is a brushless drill driver, so it hasn't got hammer action, so it can't be used to drill into masonry. So it's not a combi drill, it's just a drill driver, but that does mean that it's a bit more lightweight and a bit more compact. It does have a brushless motor, which is the latest cordless technology. Basically, there are no carbon brushes in that motor, which again means we can make it a lot smaller. Everything in there uses magnets and nothing touches each other, so we're not using up battery energy, generating heat and friction and wearing away at parts in the motor. So we get a bit more energy out of our battery, which means our capacities are increased. Also, because the motor's not generating all this heat and friction, not being worn away at, that means the motor's going to last a bit longer. So it's a lot cleaner, far more efficient way of working with brushless. It's a 2-speed machine, between speed 1 and speed 2 at the top there. We've got 15 different torque settings, which you can choose when you're doing your screw driving, just by selecting it on the collar. And then we've got our drilling mode, represented by the drilling symbol there, to change between. The chuck is a fully metal keyless 13mm chuck. Looking around it a bit more, we've got a nice rubberized soft grip all the way around it, very ergonomic, nicely balanced in the hand. We've got a forward and reverse switch with a lock-off position in the middle for your trigger. We've got our LED job light, which is here at the bottom, shining up at an angle. So if you're wearing gloves or anything like that, sometimes it would get in the way if it was here, but you're never going to get in the way of that job light. Bell hook that can be attached either side, and then a magnetic bit holder, so you don't lose your bits. This model is part of the XR range from Dewalt, the lithium-ion XR range, so it's compatible with all of Dewalt's 18-volt XR lithium-ion batteries, from 1.5 amp all the way up to the new 5 amp hour batteries, and any of the ones that they introduce in that range in the future. The batteries themselves have a nice handy battery state indicator on the back. You just hold that button, it tells you how much charge you've got left in your batteries. You'd call this about pretty much a general purpose model. It's right in the middle of Dewalt's range. So it's not the XRP, the heavy duty ones that come with the side handle, and it's not at the low end, the real cheaper spectrum. It's slap bang in the middle, offering you about 60 Newton meters of torque, which will be able to do the vast majority of your screw driving or your drilling applications around site. Onto Runtimes then. Obviously we've got a brushless motor, so our Runtimes are really, really impressive. And in this deal, we've got the two 2 amp hour batteries, which is the runtime equivalent to a 4 amp hour battery. But the genius of this, of course, is that you can always have one on the go. So as soon as one of them dies, get that straight on charge, go over to the other battery, and you've barely had any downtime at all. So there you go, that's the Dewalt DCD790D2, which includes the brushless drill driver, two 2 amp hour lithium-ion batteries, fast charger, and carry case. And that's available now from ITS.